Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a shared album on iPhone. Okay, the first step is to go to Settings. Now, we press the search bar up here and we'll search for photos. And make sure that you have the Shared Albums option checked. Now, click on Photos. Scroll down a little bit. Under Pine Collections, click on Modify. Add Albums. Scroll down a bit. And click on Shared Albums. Shared. Create. Here, name the album. In Invite, you can add participants for the album. Just search for them and add them. And if you click here, you can add photos and videos to the album. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.